Friends, good morning to all of the students. Today we shall read chapter 8, The Hack Driver, from your book Footprint Without Feet. The writer is Sinclair Lewis. In this chapter you will read there is a bachelor student who wanted to work in his village, but he was not interested, so he moved to a city where he found a work as an assistant, and he was sent to a city to summon a person whose name was Lutkin. He went there. At the station he met a person who was a delivery man, who persuaded him to help him completely. The writer also satisfied with his words, and he fixed the price for the roaming in the city. But they were not able to search. They moved hither and thither in the city. At last, the day has gone. It means it became evening, so the writer wanted to return. When he was returning, in the way he was thinking how happy my journey was. I am not able to summon the leader, but I know how to live our life well. When he arrived in the court, everyone scolded him. Once again he was sent with the assistant who was the friend of Lutkin. When they arrived at the railway station, his friend who was with him, he saw Lutkin and his mother. They were laughing all together. The writer saw his companion. He is the Lutkin. He is the man who helped me too much. So the man told, for whom you are here to summon, he is that person who helped you. So this is the story. Okay? It means the man who was his friend, he was already Lutkin. Okay? So see the chapter line wise and understand what will happen. Okay? See, after graduating with the honors, I became a junior assistant clerk in a magnificent law firm. When the writer completed bachelor degree in honors, he was assigned for an assistant clerk in a big firm. Okay? Magnificent means a big law firm. Okay, institution. Law means, firm means institution. I was sent not to prepare legal brief. Means he was not assigned for the big legal documents who kept in front of the liars, in front of the judge, but to search summons like a chief private detective. But he was selected for to give the summon as a chief detective. Okay? I had to go to dirty and shadowy corner of the city to seek out my victim. He was assigned, so he has gone to. I had go to dirty places. Means he had to go to dirty places in the corner of the city where his convict lay. Okay? It means whenever the court allow, he has to go there. Okay? Some of the larger and more self-confidence once even beat me up. Some of the larger and more confident means I was the more confident person when I was assigned for the task. Okay? I make myself completely, I have to go there to search my victim. Okay? I hated this unpleasant work and the side of city's life it revealed to me. Means he was unhappy with this task. Okay? At his home. Okay? So that he pushed towards the city. I even considered fleeing to my hometown where I could have been a real liar right away without going through this unpleasant training period. Means he could be a liar at his hometown, but he was unhappy with his task to become a liar without untrained. Okay? So that he left his village and went toward the city. Understood? If suppose that if you are not interested to work in your village, then you have to push towards the city. Okay? So he didn't like to practice in the village court. That's why he has gone to the city. Okay? So I rejoiced one day when they sent me out 40 miles in the country to a town called New Mullen to serve someone on a man called Oliver Lutkin. Okay? So I rejoiced. So the writer felt very happy to become a man who want to give someone to a person. So he has gone 40 kilometers from the city in the New Mullen city, okay, to serve the someone of a man whose name was what? Oliver Lutkin. We needed this man was a witness in a law case and he has ignored all our letters. Means before he has ignored all the letters which was sent by the court. So it was most important for him to summon the letter, okay, to call him in front of the judge, okay. When I got to New Mullen, my eager expectations of a sweet and simply country village were severely disappointed. When he arrived in the city in New Mullen, he forgot everything what he was thinking. Means if he will go there will be the big city, there will be the magnificent sea, but it was indifferent. Okay, so he became disappointed. Okay, its streets were river of mud. Why? Because the street was made of kacha roads. Okay, and the row of wooden shops, and the shops were made of wooden. Okay, लकड़ी के शॉप थी and either painted or sour brown. Some of the shops were painted in good color, but some are remaining just in brown color. Okay, or there are any paint at all, or there was no print in the shops. Okay, it means it was very poor place when he has gone to someone a letter for Oliver Lutkin. Okay, the only agreeable side about the place was the delivery man at the station. Only agreeable, only suitable, only the suitable incident for him to meet a delivery boy at the railway station. Means when he arrived, he met a delivery boy at the railway station. He was about 40, red-faced, cheerful, and thick about the middle. He was 40 years old, okay, he has red faces and he was also cheerful and thick about the middle means he was some fighting man. Okay, his working clothes were dirty and well worn. His working clothes were dirty but well dressed. Okay, and he had a friendly manner, and he was just like a familiar. Well, friendly manner means familiar. Means suppose that if you are your friend at your home, he is just like your family member. Okay, so he was also a friendly nature man. Okay, you felt at once that he liked people. If you see that man, you will understand this man is familiar, or you will like too much that type of a man. I told him to find a man named Oliver Lutkin. When I met the man at the railway station, I told him, I am here to find a man, to catch a man, to summon a letter of a man whose name is Oliver Lutkin. Okay? Lutkin, when the man listened the word or the name Lutkin, I saw him around here about an hour ago. Then the man told, I saw the man around 1 hour ago. अभी मैंने 1 घंटे पहले उसको देखा था. Hard fellow to catch that down, and it is impossible to catch that man. Okay, always up to something or other. Means he was always in hurry. Okay, he is probably trying to start up a poker game in the back of his shop. I know he has gone to play the pokers. Okay, at his shop. Okay, it means he has told probably he has gone to play the poker of back of the fish shop. Okay, fish shop is the name of a shop. It will tell you, sorry, I will tell you boy, is there any hurry about locating? Locating means catching, found it. Is there necessary? Is there important to meet with Oliver Lutkin? Means the man who became his friend, he asked, is it important for you to catch Oliver Lutkin? Yes, the writer told, yes, I need. I want to catch the afternoon train back to the city. Yes, because I want to return with the train that move at afternoon time. Okay, it means I will return in the afternoon train. Okay, I was very important and secret about it. So I am very important and secret for this matter. Okay, I shall tell you what. I have got a hat. Oh yes, the man told him, oh, I shall tell you what. Means I shall tell you about that person. Okay, I have got a hack. Means I have a hack. I shall get it out and we can drive around together and find Lutkin. Means I shall get it out and we can drive around the city to find your convict. Okay, Lutkin. I know most of the places he hangs out. He hangs when he know out. Means I know many places where he hangs out, where he can be found. Means the man told, I know many places in the city where he can be found. Okay. Next, he was so open and friendly that I glowed with the warmth of his affection. He was so open and friendly. He was a very simple, open means very simple and friendly nature man, that I glowed with the warmth of his affection. Means I accept it welcome. Means he gave me honor. Okay, and I was too much affected with his quality. I knew, of course, that he wanted the business, but his kindness was real. Means the writer know very well he wanted business with him, but there was one thing more, he want to help me. Okay, why? Because he was kindness. Okay, and it was real money. Okay, I was glad the fair money would go to this good fellow, and he was assured that money which I will give him as a fare, it will give in real hands. Okay, I managed to bargain down $2 an hour, and then he bought from his house nearby a sort of a large black box on wheel. So I managed everything. I bargained the fare of the cart, and it was settled $2 per hour. So the man has gone to his house and brought a hat. Okay, hat, it means there was a box, black box in which one man can sit, and it was pulled by a horse. Okay, so he brought, and there was a well in that hat. Okay, he remarked means he saw, well, young man, here the carriage, and his wide smile made me into an old friend. When he brought the cart, he saw, man, this is the cart. Okay, and his smile made me very happy, made very familiar. Means he was loving, and he is loving so that he is familiar of me. Okay, these villagers are so ready to help a stranger, and he understands that all the villagers are ready always to help me. Okay, he had already made it his own task to find Oliver Lutkin for me, and the man who brought the cart, okay, as a cart puller, he already made his plan. At any cost he will help the writer to in search of Oliver Lutkin. Means at any cost he will help the writer to catch Oliver Lutkin. Okay, he said, I don't want to interfere, young fellow, but my guess is that you want to collect some money from Lutkin. He said, Miss the man said, okay, I don't want to interfere in your course, in your task. Okay, young fellow, but my guess is that you want to collect some money from Lutkin. Means, if you are ready, then you can collect some money from Lutkin also. Okay, he never pay anybody's a cent, but that is the reason he never pay anyone's any penny, any rupees. Okay, he still owed me 50 cents on a poker game. I was fool enough to play with him, and he has also taken me 50 cents in a poker game. Poker means task, okay, card, playing cards. So he has owed me 50 cents, yani 50 paise, okay, in a card play game, and he has never given me. He make me fool. Okay, he is not really bad, but it is hard to make him part with his money. He is not really bad by nature, okay, but it is hard to make him part with his money, but it is not possible to make him the part of money. Okay, if you try to collect from him in those fancy clothes, he will be suspicious and get away from you. So the man told the writer, if you want to catch him in your fancy clothes, he becomes suspicious. Okay, or he will be suspicious and he will far away from you. यानी आप ऐसे फैंसी क्लोथ में उसे पकड़ने की कोशिश करेंगे तो वह संदेह में होकर भाग जाएगा. Okay, he will be suspicious and get away from you. If you want, I shall go into fish. If you want to catch him, then I will help you. I will go into fetch means a house and ask for him, and I will ask for all, and you can keep out of sight behind me, and you will see from behind, okay, where he is. Understood? See, I love him for his this, okay. So the writer told, I love him, the man, okay. By myself I might never have found Latkins. So he decided, means the writer decided, I never found myself Lutkin, okay. With the hack driver showing help, I was sure of getting my man. With the help of the hack driver, he was satisfied I will get my man. Okay. I took him into my confidence and told him that I wanted to serve the someone on Lutkin. Means the writer took the man in confidence, okay, and sure he want to give the someone to the man, okay, means whom? Someone to Lutkin. That the man had refused to be a witness, okay, when his information would have quickly settled our case, okay. Here the writer is telling the man had refused to be a witness. The man always refused to be a witness. Means before he has sent many letters, but he didn't refuse. He hasn't accepted. Okay. So when his information would have quickly settled our case, if he will help me, then my case will be settled down. Okay. The driver listened earnestly when he was telling. The driver listened carefully what he was telling. Okay. At the end, he hit me on the shoulder and laughed. Okay. At the last, he hit me on the shoulder. Means the driver pushed on his shoulder and laughed. Okay. We shall give brother Lutkin a little surprise. Okay. The man said, okay, we shall give brother, okay, Lutkin a little surprise. Okay. Means both of them told, we shall give surprise brother Lutkin. Okay. Let us start, driver. Then the writer told, okay, let us start. Let us move to ahead. Most folk around here call me Bill or Maxim. Okay. My business is called William Maxim, fancy karting and hacking. Okay. Most folk around here call me Bill. Most folk means most of the people call me in the name of Bill or Maxim. Okay. My business is called William Maxim, fancy karting and hacking. This is my profession. Okay. It means the man told the assistant clerk, this is my profession, and for this everyone know in this city. Okay. Alright, Bill. Then the writer told, alright Bill, shall we proceed to peace? Shall we move to peace? Okay. Yes, Lutkin is just as likely to be there as anywhere. Means yes, we have to move there. There will be fish. Okay. There will be Lutkin at the beach. Okay. Play lots of poker, and he will be playing poker. Okay. He is good at deceiving people. Deceiving means cheating. He is excellent in cheating people. Okay. Bill seemed to admire Lutkin's talent for dishonesty, and Bill want to show he is too excellent. Okay. I felt that if he had been a policeman, and the writer was feeling, if he will be, okay, if he had been a policeman, he would have caught Lutkin respectfully. Then it will be possible for him to catch. Okay, but he is not a policeman. Okay, and jailed him with regret. And before he jailed him, suppose that if the person was a policeman, then it will be possible for him to catch and jail him. Okay. Bill, let me into face. Have you seen Oliver looking around today? Means both of them went to the fish and Bill asked, have you seen? The person who was there and asked him, have you seen him looking? Friends of his looking for him. Said Bill cheerily, Miss Happily. Bill was cheerily asked, have you seen Oliver? Fish looked at me. The fish looked at me. Miss, the person who was there, he looked to the writer, harding their bill. Okay? They were harding their face towards Bill. Okay? He hesitated and they admitted. Miss, the man hesitated. Okay? And they admitted, yes, he was in here a little while ago. Guess he has gone over the guts up to get out safe. But he has gone before 5 minutes, okay, to guts up for saving. Okay? Well, if he comes in, tell him I am looking for him. So both of them told them, if he will come, then you will told him I was searching for him. Okay? We dropped to guts of barber shop. Again we went in first and I lingered at the door. Again they arrived, Miss they went guts shop where there was the barber shop. Once again Bill goes into the house and the rider was standing at the gate, at the door. He asked not only the Swedish barber but to customer if they had seen routine. Means both of them asked with the barber and two person who were customer. The Swede, means the barber had not, but barber refused not to see. I haven't seen. Okay? He said angrily, I haven't seen him and don't care to. Means I haven't seen any looking. Don't ask me once again. Okay? But if you find him, you can just collect that $35 he owed me. So Bill told if he will come here, then you told him to give 35 paise which he owed from me. Okay? One of the customer thought he had seen looking walking down Main Street, this side of the hotel. One of the customers who was sitting over there, he told, yes, I have seen, and he has gone towards the hotel. Okay? As we climbed back into the hawk, Bill concluded that since Lutkin has blasted his credit at the shop, he had probably gone to Grace for a sale. Okay? Again, when both of them climbed up the hatch, Bill concluded, Miss Bill come at the last moment, okay? Lutkin exhausted too much, okay? And suppose he has gone to Grace house for saving. यानी वो बताता है कि I think he has gone for saving at that shop, okay? Grace shop. At Grace barber shop we missed Lutkin by only of 5 minutes. When they arrived at shop, they only late 5 minutes. Okay? He had just left. Means when they arrived, Lutkin left from there. Probably for the pull room. Probably means he was thinking probably he has gone to pull room. Okay? Pull room is a kind of a place. Okay? Where they some place of poker. Okay? At the pull room, it appeared that he had just bought a pack of cigarette and gone out. When they arrived there, means at pull room, they asked the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper told just he has taken one packet cigarette has gone away. Okay. So we pursued him just behind him, but never catching him for an hour till it was past 1 o'clock. Miss, when they were roaming in the city to ask Lutkin from shop to shop, but they were not able to find Lutkin, and it was 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. I was hungry, so the writer became very hungry. Okay, but I had just enjoyed Bill's rough country opinions about his neighbors, and the writer is telling, I have taken too much enjoyment here with Bill's opinion, okay, and his neighbors, that I scarcely cared whether I found Lutkin or not, and I didn't care why I am here and what we are doing. I took too much enjoyment in search of Lutkin with my friend Bill. Means he was friend come someone. Okay? Means he was not his assistant, he was the friend of Lutkin's. Okay? It means Lutkin disguised him. Understood? See there. Turn the page. How about something to eat? I suggested, let us go to the restaurant and I shall buy some lunch. How about something to eat? Means the writer asked, how it is possible for us to eat? I suggested, okay, let us go to the restaurant, okay, I shall buy some lunch for you, okay. Well, I ought to go home to the wife, but the hack driver told him, I shall prefer to eat house food, okay. So I will go to my wife. I don't care much for these restaurants. I didn't care the food which are served in the restaurant, okay. Only 4 of them, and they are all bad. Means only 4 are in good condition and remaining are bad. Okay. Tell you what we shall do. Tell me what we will do. Okay. We shall get the wife to pack up a lunch for you. And once again the hack driver asked, can I call my wife to pack a lunch box for you? She wouldn't charge you more than $50. Means she will only take $50 for the lunch. And it would cost you more for a greasy meal in a restaurant. And it will be better lunch for you. Just greasy means costly. Just costly lunch you will take in the restaurant. Means it will be very cheap for you. And we shall go up to Betsy Hill and enjoy the view while we eat. When they got their lunch box from the hack driver's wife, and both of them went to the Betsy Hill, okay, and they took too much enjoy there. Okay, thank you.